Hi everyone, welcome back to Stamp with Anna. I wish you all a very happy new year. Today is the first of the month and I am introducing my very first Stamp of the Month card kit. It's a very simple program. There is no commitment. You can choose whatever months you like, excuse me, and you can skip whatever months you like. The way the program works is on the first of each month, I will designate a stamp to be the stamp of the month. Sometimes it may be just the stamp. Sometimes it may be a bundle with the stamp and a coordinating framelit. Or sometimes it may be a bundle with a stamp and a coordinating punch. I will let you know what the configuration is. If you like that stamp, featured stamp, you then go to my online store and purchase that stamp set. When I receive notice from Stampin' Up! That you have ordered that set, I will in turn send you enough product to make 3 different cards using the stamp set. Envelopes are included. What I will send you in your kit is any needed cardstock, any needed designer series paper, any needed ribbon or embellishment. I will also include envelopes. What I will not include is any adhesives and any stamped images, because it is against Stampin' Up! Policy to sell stamped images or to give stamped images. So this month's stamp of the month is the brand new Bubble Over bundle. This is the stamp set and it has 2 bottles. It has some sentiments and it has lots of different options to make labels, and it comes with this bottles and bubbles framelit set. The framelit set has cutouts for the 2 bottles. It has cutouts for some bubbles, the heart that coordinates with the heart stamp, the thumbs up that coordinates with the thumbs up, and it has framelits that coordinate with all of these labels, and it also has this really cool framelit here. If you die cut this using silver foil, it makes a great bottle cap, and these 2 round stamps fit nicely in there, as does this bubble. Then you have this tiny little stamp here. It says "for you," and that even has a coordinating framelit to cut that out. Stampin' Up! Has also given you 4 different bottle caps, not 4 different, 4 bottle caps, and that way if you need to die cut these tiny little bottle caps, more than one, you can just do them all together, so you don't have to do one by one, which we all know can be tedious. The bundle is $40.50. It's a 10% discount if you buy it as a bundle. And here in the catalog, which goes live in 2 days, Stampin' Up! Has some samples for you to look at. They're really cute. And here you can see the die-cut bottle cap on silver foil paper. It just looks so great. Another good point about this is it has coordinating paper that can be yours free during celebration. If you spend $50, you can choose this Bubbles and Fizz Designer Series paper for free. And I do have a pack here. It's opened and I've used it, but you can see the papers are really cute. There you get stars, and I love this stripe. I haven't used this yet. This is going to be one of those papers that I use for something very special. Then you have these little swirls and some bottles, stripes, and bottle caps. And these bottle caps can be die cut using the die. Let me just show you here. This die fits that bottle cap. So the inside of the bottle cap, I should say. So if you die cut this in silver, then you can come in and just die cut any one of those in different colors. So that's a nice feature. Then you also have these hearts. This is a nice heart paper. And again, the heart can be die cut out. See, it fits there. And I'm pretty sure that this coordinates with that as well. Yep. It's a small, intricate die cut, but if you want it, it works. Then, and this side has all these great bubbles, and then you have strips of bottles. And then you have this one here like a honeycomb and green bubbles. And this one here I really like. It has large and small bottles on it. And these dies, the bottle dies, fit those. So you can see this one will cut out the large bottle. And this one will cut out the small bottle. So on top of it being a great stamp set with coordinating framelits, you can also do a lot of die cutting right from your designer series paper. And again, this designer series paper is not for sale. It is available as a free gift. So I'm going to show you 3 cards that I've made that you will get supplies for. This one here is a masculine one. And this is embossed. And I will send you the embossing powder so that you can make that. And here I show you the two different labels. I stamped to have a birthday brew and die cut it out on white paper with this, and then I die cut it out, the larger one, on silver foil paper, and so it has a nice background frame to that. And this is a nice masculine card, and I will give you everything you see here you will get, including the linen thread. The other one I made is using the 2 different designer series paper, and this actually is the back of this one here. And these bottles were sponged on vellum, which I will give you the vellum. And again, this label was made the same way as I made the other label. And this one here does not use any bottles. I made my own background, so it has all bubbles on the back and this great sentiment that says, "May your day bubble over with happiness." So you can use this as a birthday card. You can use it as a congratulations card. You can use it as a "Hey, have a good day" card. You can use it for so many different occasions. And also this week on my blog, I will be featuring 3 cards that I've made using this that are not part of the stamp of the month. So I hope you enjoy this video and the possibilities with this card, with this stamp set and the coordinating bundle. And again, it's bundled at a 10% discount, so it's $40.50. If you should buy something else, bringing your total up to $50, you will be able to receive free this Bubbles and Fizz Designer Series paper. Now, I did use some other products that that will not be included in your kit. I do not give you the inks. So this card here, I will give you all of this paper, and I will give you the embossing powder, clear embossing powder for this. The only thing you will need is real red ink for this one. On this card here, I will give you everything that's here. The only thing that you would need is this Bermuda Bay ink here, and the Calypso Coral ink here, and the Lemon Lime Twist sponge dauber here. This ribbon here, I might point out, is also a free item with a $50 purchase. It's a package of 3 ribbons. They're glimmery ribbons, and this is a basic gray, which picks up on the basic gray bubbles. This one here, the only thing you would need is Tranquil Tide and Berry Burst. Everything else will come included in that kit. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions at all how this Stamp of the Month card kit works, please certainly contact me at www.stampwithanna.blogspot.com. Again, I wish you and your family a very happy new year, and I'll catch you back on the blog later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.